Good afternoon, my teacher Marla Martinez. It is my exercise. Letter Anderson to the mayor. Best figure. I am a resident citizen in the municipality and I want to communicate the following concepts because every morning I must take the bus to go to my place of work. I wait at the bus station about 10 minutes to check the bus line along with many people who also go to their place of work. At that time, there is a lot of traffic and it is very difficult to take the bus and go comfortably. Said the bus is full of passengers who go to different parts of the city at a time. I take the bus in a hurry to get there in time and I also do it because the transportation system is much cheaper than taxi transport. Transportation costs are increased by taking a taxi because there is a good transport system of buses that cover the road efficiently. The stations are very distant and there are few traffic lights which also make it mobility a bit slow. We can not transport a night safari because a failure of confidence in some sectors light and there is lighted billions and that produces more expression in my economy. To improve this problem, we need the mayor office to install much more illumination and provide greater surveillance services in the avenues and bus stops. Indirect prayer. Sentence 1. Can you tell me where is the bank? Answer. Can you tell me where the bank is? 2. Sentence. Can you tell me where is the park? Answer. Can you tell me where the park is? 3 sentences. Would like to know it. Can you help me? Answer. Would like to know if you can help me. 4th sentence. We are not sure who they are. Answer. We are not sure who are they. 5 sentences. Do you remember how much does that car cost? Answer. Do you remember how much does the car cost? Sentences. 6. Do you remember how much does that house cost? Answer. Do you remember how much does that house cost? Sentence 7. Could you tell me what time did she leave? Answer, could you tell me what time she left? Sentencing. 8. I need to find out what was my grade. Answer, I need to find out what my grade was. Sentencing. 7. I do you like know where are my keys? Answer, do you know where my keys are? Sentence 10. Can you tell me why do you dress like that? Answer, can you tell me why you dress like that? The city of Los Angeles is an urban center of great importance in the United States of America. For example, the largest movie studios in the world is Hollywood, large shopping center, hotel, museums, adventure, and games on dancing, arriving at the most famous hotel. We approached the receptionist and asked if he could give us information on the Halloween. Please, can I go to the Hollywood Hotel? Yes, you can. Can you help me please to go to the Museo de la Cera? Yes, I can. Could you say to me where the Hollywood Walk of Fame? Yes, I could. I could not find out. We could go to the Paramount Picture Study. No, I could not. Could I use your card to go to the Hollywood Bowl? No, I couldn't. That's that. These are very crowded places in Los Angeles and us the history. Final, final, final.